Hello my lovelies, welcome to Inspired Lifestyles Barbados. My name is Sabrina, and on this channel we give you the best of Barbados and all of its hidden treasures. So if you want to learn more about Barbados, stay tuned.
A few moments later.
So what exactly is coconut water? Well, it's said to be the clear liquid found in young coconuts. That part I know. You know how the coconut water is made? Like,
Come from the ground. The roots is taken and carried up to the trunk and tied straight into the coconut.
yeah? So it's not produced because of inside of here?
All of these are selling veins.
Oh.
So these collect all the water.
Uh-huh.
So the water travel through here. You understand?
So it's just
Top
water that's pulled from the ground?
on the earth.
Oh.
Right. And all these atlas sieves. You understand? So
Yeah, yeah.
All these atlas sieves. So the water is splintered down through here.
Oh.
Going here. And then it will start, as it's standing here, and it will start to form jelly all the time. The all it get, it will start to form jelly.
Yeah.
Right.
Wow.
That's a spoon.
Yeah? Okay. This coconut milk come from her.
Isn't it a byproduct? Like you have to process the coconut to get the milk.
I don't know. Coconut water is a superfood. It's nutritional and full of minerals. So many I can't even list them here. So I'm just pop them up here. And it is naturally sweet. It is 99% fat and carbohydrates free. I bet you didn't know that.
Another one.
So we're here at Pebbles Beach. You can see with Chris, coconut cocktails. Right, Chris?
Yes, sir.
So we are here, since we're talking about coconut water and coconuts, we're here with Chris. Why coconuts? Why coconut and rum punch?
Because it's a very good combination. I mean, coconut water and rum, any rum almost, is very, very delicious. So, you know.
Do you know, Andy, what do you know about the benefits of coconut water? Because I've been doing some research and this video is actually about benefits of coconut water.
Yes,
Good for
it's
me.
good for the liver, good for the kidneys, it cleans you out, it's the best electrolyte
Yeah.
replacer ever. All natural,
Yeah.
better than the tap water and the bottled water.
Yep.
And so much and so much and so much. So many other more qualities, it's crazy.
Feeling dehydrated? Well, grab some coconut water because it is filled with electrolytes. And it's also said to be age defying, age reversal. All right, sweetie. They are. Excuse the dog. I need to finish my outro. There are so many benefits to drinking coconut water, whether it's for nutritional benefits, rehydration, whether it's for just a refreshing drink. So I hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, thumbs up, and smash that notification bell. Don't worry about the dog. See you in the next video.